Here's how to use voice mode on computer. First of all, download the voice mode software from here, voicemod.net. Once you are in this page, click on Get Voice Mode Free and you will get the voice mode installer. Then install it and launch the voice mode. Now you will get this interface. Now on your computer search box, type here sound settings. Open sound settings and click on this input option and select here voice mode virtual audio device. Now open your voice mode and click on settings and select your input device. So currently I'm using this microphone to record my voice, so I'm selecting this microphone here. And you can change the system input volume from here. You can select your output device from here. And then to use voice effect, simply select the voice box option and here you will get bunch of different voice effects. To use any of them, just click on the voice effect you want to use and make sure to enable voice changer option to apply the voice effect. And to hear yourself, enable hear myself. And to clear your voice effect, select this clean effect. And now, for example, you want to use this voice mode to change your Discord voice. Then go to your Discord and click on user settings. Scroll down to the left hand side and go to voice and video. Click on input device and select voice mode virtual audio device. And now you can pick a voice effect from here. So this is how we can use voice mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.